Hey guys, I'm Love and today we are going to make another C++ video. So today we are going to do the switch case but a bit complicated one. We are going to make a calculator using switch case. So what will happen that in the last episode I taught you what is switch and how can we use switch case. So in this episode we'll make a complicated switch case project. So what is going to happen is that first let's just write it as switch calculator. Okay, now what is going to happen is first we'll remove all this code, we'll open the brackets. So what is going to happen, first we are going to write case plus, case minus, we're going to get the symbol in, all that in. Then we're going to do case plus, case minus, case subtraction, case multiplication and case division. So let's start. So let's start with writing int a b c and a symbol. Then we are going to do cout enter two numbers. So firstly we are going to enter two numbers which will be written there. Then we are going to send A and B. Then after that we are going to cout enter symbol. And we are going to do cin symbol. So here the main variable here is the symbol, because the symbol is the thing which is for example symbol plus, symbol minus, symbol multiplication, symbol division, all of them. For example, we won't write case if the number is 2, then which number will be 2, which number will be 1. We can't do variable a and b. The only unique variable is symbol. So we are going to find it of symbol. So we are going to do switch symbol. Then we are going to open the brackets, case in single quotations plus case plus. Then we are going to open this. We are going to write cout. No, wait. First we are going to do c. The variable c comes in play here. A plus b. Because this is like a calculator. So in a calculator, what is going to happen is that we'll get the variable c. So c will be equal to a plus b. So that is going to happen because a plus b we are going to do because we are going with case plus. Then after that we are going to cout our result, which is going to be c. Then after this we'll make another case, which is going to be a case negative, minus. Which is going to be this is going to be c is equal to a minus b. So here the answer can also come in negative. So yeah, let's do c. Let's do another case here. Here we are going to do multiplication. very important, the most easiest is, so A multiplied by B, C out C, case divide. I forgot to put the semicolon here. So let me put this colon, sorry, not semicolon. So here's the colon. Let's go down. Then we are going to do C is equal to A divided by B. And here we are going to C out C. So the main thing is here that the result will come in integer. For example, if we do 5 divided by 2, it's 2.5, but since we have declared int, it will only come as 3 or 2. It's according to the computer which it will come. So now let's do default, and default will write error. See out error. Yeah, so this is done. Okay, so let's build the entire thing. Okay, so there's no problems here. Looks like it. Yeah, there's no errors. So now let's try to run it. Wait a second. Okay, so this is going to be, let's try 3 and 2 just to make sure. And let's place error. Wait a second. Okay, so there must be some error here. Let me just try it and run it again. Let me do 2 and 3 and symbol as plus. Showing an error. Maybe I shouldn't put this. Okay, let's build it. Okay, it's an error. So there's something wrong with this. Maybe it's that let's build it again. This time there's no errors. Let's try again. Let's do 7 and 8. And let's do multiplication this time. Okay, so maybe the problem is that we must have not put a space here. So let's build it again. Let's try 5 and 1 just to make sure. Let's try minus. Okay, looks like it's not able to read it. Maybe the symbol is not an int, it's a char. Okay, let's try this. Yes, maybe now it will work because you know, maybe like maybe like it's not a char, maybe it's a char that thinking the symbols. So let me try with plus. Okay, it's showing the answer, then it's showing an error. So that's pretty funny. Let me just try it again. So let me do it 5 and 1. That's the simple ones. It's showing 4. Then it's showing 5 for some reason. Wait a second. What if I just remove this default? And now let's build it. Let's run it. Let's go with 4 and 5. Let's go with the plus sign. Well, it's coming as 9, but for some reason this 1200 is coming as well. So yeah, let's just think that this first one is the correct one. I don't know why it's showing minus 1200. Let me just see for existence. Maybe let's build it again. Let's run it 5 and 4 and plus again. No, let's try division. Yes, it's working. So yes, it's working. Division is working properly. Let's try with minus. Five and 4 minus. So the first digit is only correct. For some reason, it's just randomly showing anything. Maybe it's not resetting the C's value. Okay, I forgot something very important. The break. That's the only reason why it's not working. It has to be the only reason why. Oh my god, we forgot to do the break this time. Okay, so now the break is also done. Now let's try it again. Let's do 5 and 2. Let's try with plus. Yes, it's working finally. Let's try again. 7 and 4. Sorry. And let's try negative. Yes, it's working as well. And now let's try it again. 8 and 2. Let's try multiplication. Yes, it's working. And finally division. Let's try 5. No, let's try 1 1 1 1 0 11. And let's do division. Yes, it's working. So now, like, this is it for my video. I hope you liked it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and bye.